Imagine a very early universe, wide and full of glowing energy. The gods are gathered together because something important is missing. People are alive, but they don't wonder, learn, or create yet. There are no questions, no stories, no art. So, from that glowing energy, something new begins to form. A gentle, wise goddess appears. Her name is Saraswati, and she comes to bring the gift of learning to the world. Saraswati is often shown wearing bright white clothes that shine with calmness and purity. She is usually with a beautiful white swan, which stands for wisdom and clear thinking. If you look at ancient carvings, you can see her holding a musical instrument and the swan beside her. These images show how important she has been to people for a very long time. Saraswati teaches two main ideas. The first is about the mind. She wants everyone, kids and adults, to look closely at the world and ask questions. She shows us that just memorizing facts is not enough. We need to truly understand things. Real learning happens when we mix facts with kindness and understanding. And every big discovery starts the same way, with curiosity. It begins with a simple question, then grows into more questions. Those questions lead to understanding, and that understanding can change how we see the world. True knowledge means thinking carefully and caring deeply at the same time. It helps us understand where we belong in the world. The second idea Saraswati teaches is about the heart. She uses a special instrument called the veena. The veena is a large, beautiful string instrument that has been played for hundreds of years. When it is played, it makes rich, flowing music. This music connects two parts of us, our thinking mind and our feeling heart. When those work together, something magical happens. Music becomes a way to share ideas and feelings. And this isn't just about music. It includes all kinds of creativity, drawing, painting, dancing, and storytelling. These are not just fun activities. They help us grow. Creativity lets us take what is inside us and share it with the world. Today, people celebrate these ideas in a festival called Vasant Panchami. The main color of the festival is yellow. People wear yellow clothes to celebrate spring and the blooming of knowledge. You can see joy everywhere. Bright clothes, flying kites, music and dancing. During the festival, families come together and ask Saraswati for guidance. They think about what they want to learn and create in the year ahead. They build small altars and place special items there. Books for learning, musical instruments for creativity, side by side, mind and heart together. The festival reminds us of something important. When we learn deeply and create freely, we understand the world better and we become part of its story.